Inflation can lead to distorting impacts on the model, and it can be a bit confusing what's going on, but you can take inflation out to get a clearer picture on some things. And to do that, you go to the base data sheet and you just change all these inflation variables to 0%, and then also the stock market returns will reduce by a corresponding amount. Now, the exact impact of taking inflation out of the model will depend on things like whether you have a mortgage and whether you're making maybe ISA or pension contributions, as these numbers don't change with inflation. So now to look at what's gone on, now we've taken inflation out, on things like the sources of income, it's clearer to see what we're spending over time, whereas this normally increased by about 3% a year. So it was maybe a little bit more difficult to see what's going on. And then the same for the tax paid. It's a bit smoother in terms of what's happening, and it can be useful for analysis. Although ultimately, in terms of your wealth, what you'll see in your bank account, you do need to then put back inflation.